CCTV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Usarov Gogoi bolong chairman jong screening committee balathung daga All India Congress Committee haka khanyo tere kulalingkon arja apulai loan poi hanong ba shlong Ïakynduh Markhmat paramarwei bagi Kyrtong balapan tiket daga seng Congress banyak khun haka election syakayeng dorba thau an gejala kaban salong how news nam arja apulai haka jeng kran bigilat pathai khubor Usarov Gogoi ulai thu bagani ka Ïakynduh Markhmat paramarwei bagi Kyrtong di papan tiket daga seng Congress kalong ban pintikina Shwa baka All India Congress Committee kan Pynbna no shen ya thup Kyrtong jong Kyrtong ki banyak khun hagani election.
Congress MP, former Minister, Mr. Vincent Pala, my colleagues on the dais, starting from my extreme right, Neeraj Dangi, Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha from the state of Rajasthan, a former State Youth Congress President. On my immediate left, IB Eden, Lok Sabha Member of Parliament from Kerala, Kochi, where the lovely Kochi Biennial Art Festival is going on. And he is a former All India National Students Union of India President, so former All India NSUI President. And on my extreme left, we have from Meghalaya Pradesh Congress General Secretary. And friends who are here, as stated by Mr. Vincent Palaji, we are here to meet with the candidates for the upcoming elections and find out what is the position on the ground, what is the strength of the organization, what is the mood of the people, what are the people thinking, and in the days to come, how can AICC support them and support their campaign. And it has been a few hours have already passed, and we are quite optimistic with the response that we have seen. All our candidates are gung-ho and are ready to fight the election. We are just awaiting the announcement of the official dates from the Election Commission and the Meghalaya Congress Committee, Pradesh Congress Committee, who is going to put up a fantastic campaign in the days to come. In the past, you have seen our AICC observer, Mukul Vasnik ji and his team, including MPs from Kerala and others, have been here. They've also been traveling to different parts of Meghalaya, meeting with people from outside the Congress organization, meeting civil society leaders as well, and garnering a lot of information about what Meghalaya needs right now in terms of development, what do the young people of Meghalaya want, and what are some major challenges. And I must say, I myself, I come from the neighboring state of Assam, and I often hear about the challenges that people in Meghalaya are facing. It is highly unfortunate, but right now I have come here as the chairman of the screening committee. And as I said, we will, after this process, we will have a subsequent meeting in which the Congress party will finalize the candidates with the approval of the Honorable President of AICC, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge Sahab, and then the official list of candidates will be announced. So this is part procedural details that I have revealed before you.